Today I'm working on this wooden deck here. Nice lake view. And yeah, I got some logs here. We're gonna make a guardrail fence. Guardrail is probably a better word for it. Like this here, but down here. So I didn't film when I built the deck itself, so it's time to make a video. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cut this off and put up corner posts to install the railing on. Husqvarna saw ran out of battery and it's so windy here. This hand saw wasn't exactly the best saw I used, so I'm just waiting for the Husqvarna to charge up. So this is how far I got. So I don't know how this is gonna be. We're gonna make crosses down here later, but that's probably gonna be another video. So yeah, let's go to this side here and have a look. I think it's gonna look totally okay. Yeah. By the way, here, use it blind, kind of. You can use this to travel up to that tree house. And then we're working on, me and Ludwig, my brother, we're working on making an RC car track here. It's gonna be past here, around here. I'm gonna go over this kind of tabletop, but a jump here, curve here, jump, and then you go around this little brush tree here and back here, and you jump the tabletop from this way and you're back. So basically a figure 8 track for RC bashers and stuff. trailer kinda self-destroyed here. You can see this. There was a locking thing here. Gotta fix that. Yeah, I think this is all of the fences what we'll do today. Or guardrails, if you want to call it that. There's gonna be a ramp here, so it's easy to get up. And we're gonna do, when we do that, we're gonna do a shorter fence. Or guardrails. This is here. Yeah, but I'm just gonna do some finishing touches here, clean up a little, and we're gonna put up the flagpole again. I think that's gonna be the first thing we do. I'm thinking I'll put it here. Or maybe let's put it over here. But it's gonna be very... Okay, I'm gonna put it here.